Hello, my name is Arsenia Corcova Santamaria. I'm a facilitator, a coach, and a leadership architect. And today I would like to share with you a toolkit that I did some 5 years ago for a beautiful client at that time. It was a toolkit that was needed to restore the store consciousness and to take care of what's going in and to take care of all the emotion going on the surface. And I feel that now with what's coming up with the COVID-19, it's helpful. It's helpful for you to regenerate and reconnect with what's needed, what matters. There is so collective consciousness about we need to be busy, we need to be available, we need to be there, and we need to have on social media this and this and this. No, we don't have to have all those things. We don't need to be busy. We can make time. We just need to calm down. We need to really reconnect with who we are inside and reconnect with our core, our system, our needs, and from there just let the energy go outside and inside. So let also the emotions, that's my invitation, let the emotion go out, because right now it's so much tension, pressure, uncertainties, frustration, and all those things are toxic for the body. So let it go out in a way, but be conscious about the impact you will create. So my gift for you is this toolkit that I created in the past. I hope you can find some calmness, you can restore yourself, you can reconnect with your inner child, with your soulmate, and find home. Thank you.